Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of December 23rd through the 29th in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company using the Candy Cane Lane kit by Sweet Kawaii Design. I absolutely love Sweet Kawaii Design. I think their kits are just super cute. So I decided to choose this one for the week of Christmas because I love all things peppermint and cute and fun, and I thought it was the perfect kit to use. So we're going to go ahead and use it. If you are unfamiliar, I am on a PR team for Practical Paper Company until she tells me otherwise. So if you use my code PPCMegan, it'll save you some money off of your order, and I think you should definitely check out her site. She's got a lot of really awesome planners and really awesome things, so definitely check her out. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this week. Okay, so we have this washi and we have the headers. I think we're going to use the headers to do our edge. Let's do these. So, how have you guys been faring for the week of Christmas? You guys doing anything fun? I'm working, so I'm not doing anything fun, unfortunately. But, you know, it'll be fine. It will be okay. I actually work at, unfortunately, 6:15 a.m. I know, it's disgusting. I agree. But, you know, that's what happens when you are a opener. You have to work those gross early AM shifts. And that's what's happening with me. I have to work those gross early AM shifts. So, yeah, but other than that, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing on Christmas. I'm going to be working, and then when I get home from work, I'm going to be sleeping. That is the plan. But I am excited for the Christmas time. I feel like I haven't done anything for Christmas, really. Like, I haven't prepared. I haven't done much. Have you guys felt that way? Maybe it's just me. But, like, I have been working a lot. And also, like, we just got done with our cruise. So we had that, and I haven't, like, I feel like it's because I haven't watched any Christmas movies. I really think that that is why I feel like the Christmas season just hasn't been happening for me. Usually I will make like a Christmas movie list, and I will watch a ton of Christmas movies, and it'll be a whole time, and I haven't done that this year. And I don't know why, because I am really into Christmas, and I guess I just haven't done it. Let's see, 2. I was going to see if I could do another layer, but I cannot. So that's okay. But yeah, it's weird that I haven't, like, I feel like this year has just flown by, and also at the same time has gone by really slow. Is that just me, or is that like everybody else's opinion too? I don't know. I really don't. I did not want to put that like this. Oh, I might have to keep it there though. You know what? We're just gonna keep it there and do this. What I wanted to do was put some on either side of this, but apparently that is not what my scissors wanted to do. So we're just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way and connect it like so. But yeah, that has been what has been going on with me. I have been really busy at work. Like, unfortunately, a little too busy, in my personal opinion. But, you know, that's what happens when you work at Starbucks in Disney. But I feel like, back to my discussion of like how I feel like this Christmas has just been weird. Is anybody else feeling like that? Has your Christmas just been like really weird? Because I feel like that's how it's been for me. I don't know. I don't understand why it's been so fast, but also super slow for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, that's how this month has gone. It's been pretty chill, honestly, because the very first part of the month I was prepping, like the very first week of December, I was prepping for my cruise. And then pretty much like one whole week I was on a cruise. And then last week I was, you know, working. I was working 6 days in a row. And I was getting back into the swing of things. You know, like when you go on a vacation and you're just like not used to the swing of like everything. That's how it's been for me. I needed to get back into the swing of things. And now I'm just tired. So I don't know. I don't know if everybody else is feeling that way or if it's just me. But I feel like this year has just gone way too fast. But like also that's a good thing, right? It's a good thing that it's gone by so fast. Okay, so enough with the chit chat. The 27th, we are having new releases for Sarah Lynn Art. So I want to make sure that I leave some space for that. We are not doing Feature Friday this week because it is the week of Christmas and we aren't going to be doing Feature Friday until our new PR team gets here. So the only thing we need to mark is our normal post that we do on Monday, which most of the time I end up doing it on Tuesdays, which I'm going to try not to do this week, but we will see. So we have that. And then the 27th, as I said, is our... The 27th is Friday, is our new releases. And we are also going to try and post something on Sunday as well. So we have those three. Actually, I am going to change my mind and we are going to put something up on Tuesday instead. And I might move my schedule to be Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays for Sarah Lynn Art, but we will have to see how that goes. Okay, let's put some dates on, or the dates, oh my gosh, the boxes. We'll put some boxes on. I want this one here because it'll cover up the gray box down here. And then we have the habit trackers, which we need to put. So we are going to use this Monday through Sunday box for Practical Paper Company and the other... I can't remember the other PR team that I was about to say, but that's for those. And then these three are for the other PR teams, the other three that we have. And I am very excited to announce, because I can say it now that it has officially happened, I am on a PR team for Sticker Designs by Mel, or Mel Designs Co., which I'm very excited about. I have honestly been wanting to be on her PR team for a very long time, and the opportunity presented itself to me and I jumped on it. I was like, I absolutely will be on your PR team if you will let me, please and thank you. So that is exciting. I realized I did not want that one on here. I want this one because I didn't want the pink to blend in super well. So we're going to do that. And then this is the one we're going to do for down here. And then just wait, because I have a really cute one that we're going to do for over here. We're going to use this because it's cute and I like it. So that's all that matters. I think that this will be adorable. Just like that. And then we'll put you here. Ooh, look at this, it's so cute. Okay. And then this will be for the important information that I need to have. Ooh, wait, we can do both boxes. My camera cut off, but we're doing both. We're using both of these because I like cute stickers. Ooh, or should we do these for the filming and editing list? That's what we're gonna do. Filming and editing list. Sorry, I get distracted. Okay. This one will be here. This one will be here. And don't worry, we'll fix my little oopsie. And then this will be for filming and editing. There and there. And then these boxes will be for important information. Okay, like this and this. And then we're gonna stick one more down here in this corner. How cute. Oh wait, I want you to go there. And I want you to be over there. And I want you to be like that. No. And then I want this one to be underneath. There. Ha! Perfect. Okay, and then we will put this peppermint candy cane thing there. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is! I'm obsessed. Okay. We don't need any of those, but we are going to use... Oh wait, here. We can use this one that says this week. We can put it like that. Oh no, that's just super cute. That is super cute. I am obsessed. Look at how adorable this is. This is way too cute for its own good. Okay, now we're gonna have to add more cute and fun to this side because this side has too much cuteness and this side needs some. So, you know what? We are gonna go like this. There. And then this one will go like this. Okay. We can add these boxes just here and everywhere. Give me this one. I'm gonna put that like this. And how many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it's not a video going out on Monday, one on Tuesday. Gonna do one on Wednesday. Wait, Wednesday is Christmas, isn't it? Wednesday is Christmas, so we're not putting out one on Christmas. But we will put out one on the next day. And we'll do one here, which means you have to move over to this side. And then do this one there. And this one here. Look how cute! Oh my goodness. I think my voice just hit another octave. That was unfortunate, but also super cute. This is all really cute. I know I keep saying cute, but oh well. Alright. Now we're going to sprinkle some more fun. Put that one there. I'm going to put this one there. Oh wait, we have these really big stickers that we can put on here too. I'm going to do this cocoa there. And we'll do the peppermint like that. And this peppermint like this. Wednesday is Christmas, so we'll put it there because I'm not posting anything on Christmas because it's Christmas. Well, I might end up posting something, but we will see. Honestly, it's going to depend on how I'm feeling. Ooh, we'll put this here. And then we'll add more cuteness. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, we have to add these little, I know these are supposed to be bullets, right? That's what they're supposed to be for. However, I think that they are way too cute to not use as decorations. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add a little candy cane Christmas poles everywhere because I want to. I feel like we need one more on over here on this side and then we'll be good. Okay, but do it that way and then this way. Okay, and then I do want one right here because that's cute. We'll do one over here. We have two more. Whoops. Okay, so we obviously have to put this one here because that's a given. Wait. What if we put this one here? Oh my goodness. Look at how cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. Okay, then we're going to put this other peppermint sticker up here. And then we have just the smallest amount more of deco. And then this spread will be all set and ready to go. And y'all, we only have one more spread left. I don't even know if I'm going to do the spread because we have, like, this will be our last spread for Christmas. And then we'll have the New Year's spread. And then this planner will be done. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do anymore. I mean, I know exactly what I'm going to do for my socials, but you know what I mean. You guys understand. Okay, so since this is for Christmas, we're going to hang this stocking right here because Tuesday is Christmas Eve. That's when Santa comes and fills all the stockings. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Okay, I'm officially in love. I think this is probably one of my favorite spreads ever. I need to get more sweet kawaii kits immediately because this is just way too cute. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. If you want to see my setup for my new content, keep an eye out. I will have an entire playlist coming up. Honestly, I'm going to have some videos coming out this week with my new setups. Hopefully my Hobonichi cousin will be my final setup video because I'm still waiting on some stuff to come in, but we will see. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!